Sometimes you've just got to get your Mexican food on. But if tacos or burritos are the same old, then you want pulled pork nachos. This plate of delicious is piled high with filling black beans and Mexican pulled pork served on a bed of blue corn tortilla chips. Melty pepper jack cheese joins the fiesta, and you won't be able to stop from digging into this appetizer turned dinner. So grab a cup of hot cocoa. It's time to make some magic in Mrs. Kringle's kitchen. Make sure you hit the red subscribe button and click the bell to be notified when new videos go live. For returning subscribers, welcome back. In the morning, add a small thawed pork roast to your crock pot. Season it with anything you like. I've used some red pepper flakes and some cumin. Allow it to cook until the pork is fork tender, and then begin shredding it in the drained crock pot set on warm. Once it's shredded, add a 4-ounce can of green chilies, about half a cup of enchilada sauce, half a teaspoon of smoked paprika, half a teaspoon of cumin, a 1/4 teaspoon of chili powder, and half a teaspoon of chipotle powder. Give it all a good stir until well combined. If you want it a little more wet, add another 1/4 cup of enchilada sauce. Allow it to simmer for about 15 minutes. Layer your plate with a serving or two of corn chips, then a large spoonful of black beans, topped with a squirt of taco sauce. Then place 4 to 6 ounces of pulled pork on top of the chips. Sprinkle it with a serving of pepper jack cheese. When it's melted, top it with chopped scallions and a little more taco sauce, and you're ready to go. Pulled pork nachos are a delicious way to end your day. With your own small plate to yourself, you don't have to share. Sometimes you just want to feel like you're getting pub food, but it doesn't have to break the calorie bank, and it can look as colorful and beautiful as it tastes. So get in there with your hands and make a glorious mess out of dinner. For the full printable recipe, head over to mrskringleskitchen.com. Don't forget to like, comment, and share the love with your family and friends.